My name is Demilade Osinubi. I found Losgiddy School of Photography on the internet and went to his website, went to their Instagram page, and I was immediately amazed. And I knew that, okay, this is where I want to learn photography. I came here to Positive Mind and I wanted to learn because I knew nothing about photography. And he, took his time properly with the help of other people as well to teach me basics, the fundamentals, and the important things you need to know about photography. I had a team, I had classmates basically, but I'll call them my team. I had Los as my head team member. I had Joy, I had Ruth, I had Tosin, and I had Dara. These people helped me, groomed me to, be the photographer I am today. I just started, but then big things are coming. I had a photo shoot, a project photo shoot. That's one of my pictures right there. I kind of like fashion. I'm into fashion, and fashion photography kind of entices me. That's more of what I want to go into, fashion photography. Although I'm going to do like other things concerning photography, but then just look out for me on the fashion world, the photography and the fashion world. I have an Instagram page. It's Out of Desert's Mind. It's meant to be creative. It's meant to be fun too. Out of Desert's Mind. That's my Instagram. And my email is desertgraphy@gmail.com. You can reach me on any of those if you need to send me a message. If you need to book me to cover your events, shoot that stuff. But yeah, so those are my handles. That's my email. My phone number is 0708-185-2043. You can also reach me on here. You can send me a text message. You can WhatsApp me. You can call me if you need any of your events covered. Birthday photo shoots. You need pre-wedding photo shoots. Anything you want to shoot with the cameras. Give me a call. Send me an email. Send me a message. Send me a DM. Goodbye.